Yo, Sakafet guys, do you remember the good old time when you could just buy a pack of replacement batteries and put them in your phone whenever needed for maximum power? Well, this time is long gone with the arrival of the new, shiny, super thin Android and iOS phones of today. But fear not, in this video I am going to tell you why smartphone manufacturers took the liberty of removing this convenient feature. And surprise surprise, why the EU might bring this amazing feature back, or at least make battery removal easier. Making a user replaceable battery introduces a new set of problems and raise some questions. Questions for you: do you still want your smartphones to use glass for the back? Do you still want it to be flawlessly waterproof? What about the repair centers? How will they make you pay double for the price of a normal battery replacement if you can DIY it? If your choice is still the glass and want it to be removable, you'd have to make a mechanism to lock the glass into the frame of the phone and preferably have the glass glued to a back panel to slide it off easily. That will add weight, thickness and price, and somewhat a more fragile device. You could still make it water resistant using rubber, but that resistance is better when you have non-moving parts. Those are the primary reasons why smartphones don't use removable batteries anymore. Now, the EU is planning to fix non-removable batteries restrictions in the near future by forcing manufacturers to make their phone batteries more easily accessible and replaceable, and aim to reduce electronic waste. If the user is able to change the battery, he would keep the device for longer instead of discarding it after 2 years of use. The proposal also suggests that manufacturers need to make the parts easily accessible to third-party service centers. The plan will be presented somewhat in the next month. Only time will tell if the replaceable batteries will make a return in smartphones. And speaking of decision, a better one will be to force smartphone manufacturers to give us more than 2 years of software updates, if that's not too much asking. Hey, if you made it this far, you might as well hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of any uploaded video. That was Kenzie for Keep Insider. I will see you in the next video.